Boost for Gambian healthcare. Innovarx Global Health has signed a landmark memorandum of understanding with Florence Healthcare of Turkey. The agreement is being hailed as a step forward in transforming healthcare delivery and promoting international medical collaboration. Dr. Ismaila Cisse, founder and CEO of Innovarx Global Health, called the agreement a game changer for healthcare in Gambia, highlighting its potential to improve patient care and professional training.
Which excites me because I was saying we still have an opportunity in this country to really synergize with the public sector efforts and the private sector efforts. So they also have engagement at Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital as well, because a lot of collaborative, they're a teaching hospital. So I think the knowledge transfer, they made it very clear how passionate they are about knowledge transfer and creating opportunities for young Gambian professionals. So this thank you and this partnership for us is not for Innovarx. I think it's for Gambia, it's for Africa. But we also don't take it lightly because, as we mentioned oftentimes, we always have these moments where we have partnerships, but we believe in partnerships that yield impact, that has action. And that's why private sector, I'm really, really motivated that way. When we look back on this day, it could be a seed that we planted, and you have a watering can, we have a watering can, we keep watering it, and it'll bear a lot of fruits as well too. So
The partnership will link Gambia and Turkey through telemedicine, advanced laboratory testing, and visiting physician programs, providing Gambian healthcare workers with access to international expertise. Dr. Sinan N. Arand, General Manager of Florence Healthcare, said the MOU will also strengthen collaboration between public and private institutions, promoting shared knowledge and resources.
What empowers the organization is the academic infrastructure. The foundation has two arms. The first arm is the private hospitals arm. The second arm is the university. So we are recruiting our own medical doctors, specialists, residents, nurses, technicians, and even hospital managers. So this also gives us great backup in competing in the very highly competitive healthcare market, not only in Turkey as well as in the region. As recently you have mentioned, Turkish Airlines has provided direct connections to maybe around 400 countries, direct flight. This is a big power. Yesterday I met the Turkish ambassador here in Gambia, Mr. Türkeroba, whom I know for many years since the COVID time. And he has been assigned recently as the ambassador to Gambia. So we are all very lucky for having him here. He is very visionary, and one of his primary focus areas is healthcare. So he wants to contribute to the healthcare system by providing pharmaceuticals and quality services. So he will be always connected with us.
A key focus of the partnership is education and training, with Florence Teaching Hospital in Turkey collaborating with Gambia's Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital. Experts say this will help Gambian professionals acquire life-saving skills. Betty Gomez, Clinical Operations Manager at Innovarx, highlighted the importance of international training, while Director of Finance Yusufa Mjoub described the agreement as a milestone for Gambia's goal to become a West African medical hub.
Obviously, I interned there during the COVID time, and then we kind of stayed back because of the COVID-19. But it was a great experience. We would meet here and there, and then she would take us around, and then we would deal with the international patients, those from the UN and all. So it was really a great experience. We had a great oncology unit, different units, standardized healthcare, high quality, different people from all around the world, you would meet at Florence Nightingale.
I'm keen on helping some social responsibilities or partnering with any hospital provider or operator in Africa. And Ersin told me he visited Gambia, and he is very keen and happy about Gambia as a whole. And that's when we started communicating. And since I met Doctor through also our relationship, I introduced them together. And he said, well, I'm gonna come. The only way I can know what is in Gambia and show you how serious we are with this relationship is to come in person. So, and he said, we are not only going to partner and have this relationship with Innovarx, but we'll also see how we can help Gambia as a whole in the health sector, with the public sector, and so on. So,
With this partnership, Innovarx Global Health moves closer to its mission of delivering dignified and accessible healthcare for all Gambians. Reporting for GCTV News, Aissatou Koli.